To create a priority silo network, go to LinkBoss Custom Network tool. Click on Create. Now you need to add topics here. You can add those from Suggested Contents tab or fetch from categories or use the search option. Type your keyword for the topic cluster here and hit Enter. Browse the Suggested Contents tab and select URLs based on relevance and similarity score. Now hit the Submit button. Then click on Use Silo Preset and choose Priority Silo. Here you can select the pillar page yourself or just skip it. LinkBoss will choose it for you. Then click on Generate Priority Silo. You can click on Priority Silo View to see how the silo network will look like. Then click on Next. Now click on Run Boss Mode and choose how many paragraphs you want to skip from interlinking. Click on Let's Go. Now wait a few moments while LinkBoss does the interlinking for you, then reload the page. Click on the eye icon to see exactly where the links were placed. That's it. Thank you for watching.